Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? We have got some confirmed BoxyCharm spoilers for September. Now we do have a new one and then of course the ones we already know about. But first, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell right there, that way you're notified of every video I upload. Now to read the first comment from my last video, which was my beauty and YouTube predictions. So the first comment, congratulations, Amna's Kitchen. Amna says, your eye makeup is lit and your videos are just amazing. Well, Amna, thank you so much. I appreciate you having your bell on, and I'm so happy to have you a part of my family. So guys, if you want a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. Now let's jump into these spoilers. So first, you know there's going to be a variation of 3 different palettes. You will get 1 out of the 3. The first one is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. The next one is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping palette. And then the last one is the Too Faced Natural Face palette. Now next, which these things we already know about right here too, you'll either get the MAC Cosmetics Frost Lipstick in CB96, or you'll get the Hank & Henry Slick With It Liner. Now the new spoiler, and this is unspecified, so we don't know if this is going to be a variation or it's going to be in every box, but it's a dr.brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. And of course, as soon as they come out with any more new spoilers, I will update you guys. Now guys, for the picked comment. Congratulations, Belinda Sanchez. Belinda says, laugh out loud. Do you see me as a future YouTuber? I love you. Keep up the good work. Well, of course I do, Belinda. We got room on this platform for anybody. I would love to see somebody open up a channel. I would definitely subscribe if you do, so you just let me know. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you leaving a comment, and I'm so glad to have you a part of my family, and I love you so, so much. Now, again, guys, if you want to get a shout out, leave a comment on this video. And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to check them out. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and join my family. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then next, I'm so sorry to ask y'all 20,000 different things, but if you would, rate the video. Just give it a thumbs up. That thumbs down button, it don't work. You know, the YouTube, they're kind of slow, so it ain't been working for a while. So don't even pay that button no attention. Anyways, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. One more thing again, I'm so sorry y'all, but if you would go ahead and turn your bell on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any of these spoilers. I'm sorry y'all, it's YouTube's fault, blame it on them. Anyways, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.